Hey guys, today here we're going to install the Cali LED 3-switch bolt-on panel for the 3rd gen Tacoma. Quick little tutorial guide. The first thing you're going to do is get a knife or a little pick behind the side of the panel right there and pry the picks off. So as you can see, he's just kind of lightly wedging it, and it'll lift the panel from the clips that are holding it onto the vehicle. So once we get those clips popped, it'll come off like that. Now what we do is we unplug these OEM plugs that are plugged into the back of the panel like so. And then we remove this whole piece from the truck. So now as you can see, there's 4 little screws that are holding the panel where the change cubby is to the main panel. We are going to remove those screws and place the switch panel over those holes and reinstall the screws. That is how this panel is installed without any modification done. So now we got the panel installed. As you can see, that's how it looks from the front. Really nice flush style to it. Can't even tell. Now we're gonna go install it back on the truck. But first we're going to mount the switches in there. So now we pop this panel back onto the truck, have our switches installed, and it's ready to go. As you can see, we have a blank here to fill this spot, but we got our light bar switch. This one's wired up. We haven't wired this guy up yet. But yeah, it's a real clean little panel for 3 switches that mounts super easily. If you guys have any questions, get a hold of us. Check out caliraisedled.com.